Hello there, welcome to Dave Tech. In this YouTube channel, I talk about smart TV electronics and how to use them effectively. Also talk about downloading applications on your smart TV that you might not see them on your app store. So if these are topics you're interested in, then you might want to subscribe to this YouTube channel for more important videos like this. Now, in this particular video, I will be showing you how to download games on your Android TV. This is very easy. Subscribe to the channel and let's kick off. Now, on your Android TV or smart TV, if you want to install games on it, this is exactly what you must do. Now, I'm going to show you two methods. So you can either try either of these two methods to see which one is going to work for you. So let's get started. The first thing to do is to connect to the internet on your Android TV. After connecting to internet, this is the first method for you to install games. Now, the first method for you to look for your App Store or Google Play Store on your Android TV and launch it. Now, once you launch it on your App Store on your Android TV, you can always use it to get games or install games. Now, I'm going to show you what the difficulties this have at the end of the video. Now, once you are here, for instance, you come over to applications and you come here, then you just scroll down a little bit. You're going to see a topic for games. So all of these are games that you can install to your Android TV just by clicking it on your App Store. So these are many, there are a lot of them, all right, you can try them. Now, the issue here is that you might not see some popular games that you are interested in, and that's where the second method comes in. Or maybe the games here you are not interested in. So what happens if you are looking for other games like interesting games that are not on your app store? If that's the case, then what you have to do is to come back. So the second method for you to install games to your Android TV or no, without using your app store is for you to convert to the application called Downloader. Now, Downloader is not a Play Store, it's not an app store. It's just like an intermediary website or an intermediary browser where you can use to download files from across the internet to your Android TV. So you can use it both as a Play Store, a browser, or whatever. It has a lot of functions, or even to download stuff. If you don't download on your Android TV, check the description of this video. There is a link there to get download to your Android TV. So to use downloader to get games or install games to your Android TV is very easy. After launching it, here's how it looks like. Once you're here, all you have to do is you type in the game you are looking for. Let's say for instance, we're looking for a game like which game can I take? Alright, Zuma. I think all of us will know what Zuma is. You know there are many versions, but I'm just going to type in the Zuma. So we're looking for Zuma. Now bear in mind, I don't think you would have seen Zuma on your app store. But if you're using download to look for it, just come over here and click Zuma. When you click Zuma and go ahead, downloader is going to show you where you can get Zuma to your Android TV. And very easy. So you come over here, you see these are various sources to get Zuma. For instance, this one, you can get Zuma from this source. You scroll a little bit, here's another one. You scroll a little bit, there are many, alright? So to be specific at times, for instance, if you want to be more specific, instead of just typing Zuma, we're going to type in Zuma game, alright? We're going to type in Zuma game. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe to this YouTube channel. So I'm going to type in Zuma game to be more specific. So I'll go ahead and click on search. When you search, it's going to come again like this. As you can see, so you see these are many sources. This one, so you can use this source to get the Zuma game. Here's another one, Zuma download, Zumbia Deluxe. I think it's a game. You see, so these are many games. So you can search for any game on downloader by just typing the right keyword and search for it. So ladies and gentlemen, those are two ways to download games on your Android TV. The first way is going to your App Store or Google Play Store, depending on the Android TV version you're using. Now, if you don't see it there, you can always come over to the downloader and search for any game you're interested in. Subscribe to the YouTube channel for more important videos like this.